Success is not about selling something. It's not about closing a deal. It's about helping somebody solve a problem that they care about or achieve a result that they care about. And the biggest mistake that so many of us make, and what holds us back from making 7 figures, over $1 million a year, is the that they care about part. Far too often we assume that the person cares about the problem that we're talking about solving, or they want to achieve the result. Why wouldn't you want to lose weight or save money or have a better ad campaign? They want to achieve the result that we care about. The only way for you to know that your prospect cares about something is to ask them and listen for the words to cross their lips. They have to say that they want to solve that problem. They have to say that they want to achieve that result. Some of the best ways where you can walk into those conversations is, what exactly do you want to get great at? Right? What exactly would you like to get great at over the next couple months? Well, we'd like to improve our payroll. Why is that? Well, it's currently costing us $76,000 a month, and I've been tasked to cut that expense in half. Once the person communicates the problem, then and only then can you start to get to work on trying to solve it for them. Let them say it and then move forward. Trust me, you'll get to that 7-figure mark a lot faster. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.